Now let's start with practice set 1.1. Student, few sum I have solved in the notebook that we will discuss in detail, and remaining sum you have to try by your own. Now see our first question. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form means listing method only. First question, set of even natural number. So we have to make a set of all even numbers in this question. Next, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Prime numbers we have seen just now. Those are divisible by only itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7. But they want even prime number, and there is only one even prime number, that is 2. Third question is set of negative integers. So here we have to make a set of integers but only negative one. So there are infinite number of negative integer. We will show like this. Otherwise I equal to -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Both the way we can show. Fourth one is 7 basic sounds of a sargam, that is also known as sur. So we know that sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and you should not repeat the sa again here. There are only 7 sur in the sargam. Question number 2 is write the following symbolic statements in word, means how we will read it. First one, 4/3 belongs to Q. Belongs to means it is an element of, like that we are reading. So how we will write in the answer? 4/3 is an element of the set Q. The word Q we took from the question only. We cannot change this set name. Next question is -2 is not belong to N. So we will write it as -2 is not an element of set N. Third one, P is a set of P, all P's such that P is an odd number. So how we are reading, in the same way we have to write it. I have written here, just have a look. Set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Question number 3 is write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. This is open-ended question. You can write any two example of listing method and rule method. Question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. So we have to list out the element. First one, all months in the Indian solar year. Indian solar year means the month which we call Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, like that. That all 12 months you have to list out in the first question. Second one, letters in the word complement. Now we have to just list out all the letter from this word, but we have to take care of that. We will not repeat any element in the list. Third one, set of human sensory organ. So you all know that there are 5 human sensory organ like nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. That we have to list out in the third question. Fourth one is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Now here I have solved this question. Set of prime number from 1 to 20. So I have given the name set A, which contain prime numbers. We have the limitation till 20. All the prime number we have to list out, which is not divisible by another number. So that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Fifth one is names of continents of the world. There are 7 continents that you have to list out in this question. Now let's move to the last question. Question number 5. Write the following sets using rule method. So here we have to convert the listing method into the rule method. First question is set A, which contain element 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Now here I have solved this question. What we have to do, we have to search the connection between all the elements. And what I got? These 1, 4, 9, 16 are the square of numbers. Like 1 is a square of 1, 4 is a square of 2, 9 is square of 3, 16 is square of 4 till the square of 10. So this is a list of square of numbers. So how I will write? A is a set of all x such that x equal to square of number. We are showing the number by the small n letter. Square of number. But which kind of number they are? They start with the 1. So they are natural number. So I will show that here n belongs to natural number. Have we all the natural numbers in our list? No. We have the limitation here. We have included 10 and less than 10 numbers. So our number is less than or equal to 10. Therefore we got this answer. A is a set of all x such that x equal to square of n. N belongs to natural number. N is smaller than or equal to 10. Second question is, B is a set of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Now, here we have to search the connection in all the elements. And we can see that it is a table of 6, isn't it? So, how we will represent it? See in the answer. B is a set of all x such that x equal to c into n. N means it is a multiple of 6. 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are, like that. It starts with the 6 into 1. So, if the number starting with the 1, it means it is a natural number. So, our next condition is this multiple number. This number belongs to natural number. Do we have all the whole table here? No. We have till the 8 only. It means less than 9. So the number is less than 9. So our answer is B is a set of all x such that x equal to 6n, that is multiple of 6, n belongs to natural number and n is smaller than 9. Third question is, C is a set of S, M, I, L, E. So, how we will write this? C is a set of all y such that y is a letter in the word smile. You can write here smile or slime, miles, missile, anything. But we should have all these elements in our word. So our answer is C is a set of all y such that y is a letter in the word smile. Fourth one is D is a set of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, you can write this. It is an easier one. This is a set of all days in a week. Fifth one, X is a set of A, E, T. Similar to the third question. You can make a word from this, eat or anything, T. So X is a set of all X such that X is a letter in word eat or T, anything. So these two questions you try by your own.